So today we are going to make the last doodle of this series. This is the colored version of 10th doodle in the ZenFlow pattern series. So as we did yesterday, we are going to make a diamond pattern and make the circles at the middle line. Here I've done it reverse. I made the circle first and the lines later, but you can choose any order. And then we are going to color the circles black. I'm using the Bianyo markers for these. For this whole series, I've been using Bianyo colored and black markers. So then we color all the circles black, and then I've taken the rainbow colors, all the rainbow colors that were available in my set, and I'm coloring each cone in a different color. Again, as I always encourage you all to use colors of your own choice, you can do that. You can take either just a warm colors or just the cool colors, or you can just take two colors and alternate between those two colors, play around with colors, or just pick random markers and just see what you come up with. But yes, for this one I have taken the rainbow colors also because it's the month of June, and it's a pride month and rainbow colors represent pride month. So that's also why for this whole series I've tried to take rainbow colors, except for a few where there was no scope of using so many colors. So I've just gone in order. So I started with the pink series, and then I got the blue, and then I returned from green, and then orange, yellow, and reds. Once I'm done coloring, I'll also make the edges. That was not recorded, but always make the sides of these cones a little darker. So just use the pen a little more on the sides. And now this ZenFlow series that we have been, ZenFlow pattern that we have been making in all of these 10 doodles. So we prepared different templates and filled it in with this ZenFlow pattern, which is a very relaxing pattern. It's a reverse C curve. We have used this filler in every single ZenFlow we have made in this series. So all 10 have this pattern in it, the ZenFlow pattern, reverse C curve. So we are going to take the reverse C curve and go towards the narrow part of the cone. Again, you can also make very fine curves. I have not made it very fine in this one. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. Sorry, I think it did get recorded. I was under impression that it did not get recorded, but yeah, this is what I do. I use the same colors to darken the sides of the cone. If it doesn't work, I just take a darker shade. Otherwise, I use the same pen, and if I just use it again, it gives a darker shade. But sometimes it doesn't give a darker shade, so I take a different color which is a darker shade. So there's difference. I repeat the same shade, it makes a darker color, or I take a darker color and then use it. So it depends on my judgment. If I feel like overlapping the same color gives a good effect, then I leave it like that. If I feel like no, it's not showing, then I try to take, if I have a darker shade of the same color, then I'll take that and use it. And our doodle is ready. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me on this journey. I had a great time, and I hope I can start a different journey again. Thank you.